Top of the morning to you lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful new year. But that's not what this video is about, guys. As you guys know, and you guys seen, if you guys follow me on Instagram, once again, guys, you guys know I have this blue headlight tint that's over the car. I got that done at the old shop I used to work at, and going through some of my old photos of like before I got the headlight tint done, I kind of like it a lot. I mean, yeah, it's different. Kind of having blue headlight tint is getting kind of old, and eventually I am getting the Demonite kit, but today's video is going to show you how to remove it. So if you guys have headlight tint over your guys' headlights, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. So roll the intro. Let's go ahead and get to the shop right now. Okay guys, so we are here at the shop. Those of you guys who don't know what the lights look like in the dark time, so it's not that dark in the shop right now, but here's basically what it looks like with the blue headlight tint on. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that today. Like I said, I wanted something different, and I'm gonna show you exactly everything you need and everything, the exact process that you're going to be using to remove these headlight tint. So let's go ahead and get into it. So with removal of the headlight tint, it's pretty straightforward. So all you're going to really need is you're going to need yourself a heat gun and some 3M general purpose adhesive remover. Any adhesive remover works, but we've been using the 3M at the shop and it's been working really, really well. So those are the only things you're going to need. And then you're going to obviously need to pop the hood a little bit just so you can get your finger in to start a corner and start peeling. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. So go ahead and start and pop your hood just a little bit. Just enough for yourself to get into a corner right here or right here, whichever one it may be. But so you can start in a corner. We're going to go ahead and heat it up so you can get everything all loose, and then you should be set to start peeling, and then go over it with your adhesive remover. So let's go ahead and do that. You don't want to stay in one spot just because you don't want to burn the adhesive or the film itself, and that'll make it even harder to take off. So just with the little corner that I did, it was able to peel a little corner. As you can see right here, right behind the little fang right here. So you can go ahead and start heating up the rest of it, and then it'll all peel off in one. Hopefully it'll all peel off in one go. Boom, back to stock. You really can't see on the camera, but there is a little bit of adhesive that's been left over right here. So that's when you get your 3M adhesive remover, put it on a nice rag, and then go ahead and wipe all this off. It should come off in one go. Now when it comes to the adhesive remover, just grab a tacky rag or microfiber towel. I don't like to directly do it onto the surface. I like to actually spray it onto the rag, so give it a couple of sprays here. And it should, I usually just dab it so it gets on there. and then go ahead and take it off. And all that adhesive is legit, just wiping right off. This stuff works wonders. So go ahead and get this all cleaned off, and then you're set. Boom, well, not brand new, but you got yourself a newer looking headlight here. So just so you guys can see a difference in the headlights, that's the one that I just took off, which is stock. And then we have one with the blue headlight tint on this side that is going to be taken off right now. Let's go ahead and do a dark test and see what it looks like with and without the headlight tint. Not sure if you can tell on camera, but there is a pretty big difference inside. So that's the blue on this side. It kind of wraps around this whole way, and then this is the untreated, or the actual off, the film being off, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, I like it being back to stock. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, guys. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, just because I have been wanting to get a Demonite kit. Soon that'll be coming, guys. 2019 is going to be a really cool year for this bad girl right here. So if you guys haven't, guys, please go ahead and like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, bell icon, all that good stuff, guys. If you guys want to see more of installs, uninstalls onto the Mustang here. And yeah, guys, stay focused, guys. Be safe, and I'm out of here.